Hi everybody! In this short and simple video we will show how you can remove the Bigo account on your iPhone. So first of all, open up the Me section that is located at the bottom part of your display. Next, go for the feedback, account, expand the sixth question, how to delete my Bigo account, tap to I want to delete account, then click on next, and all that it's left to do is to tap on the confirm and continue. We will read all the terms, as well as accept them once this option becomes available, and confirm the account deletion. Alrighty, so we have successfully deleted our Bigo account. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye!